sweeties, it's Demetra from Sweet Savant, your personal chef, and today I have some friend mail. This is from Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan. Thank you, Denise. You are so sweet, so thoughtful. I appreciate this. I'm going to open it up, and while I do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Denise's channel. So, This and That with Denise Jordan is a lifestyle channel. She specializes in home decor, wellness, makeup, cleaning, laundering, skincare. She is all about that housewife life, as she likes to say. She has raised 3 children, and she is a nurse by profession. It's a lot. So please go over, check out her channel and subscribe. Tell her I said hey when you get there, and then watch some of her videos. I'll put a link in the description box to her channel. All right, let's see what's in the box. There's a card inside. Let's take a look. It's a sweet little watering can with some flowers in it. Obscure sensitive information. It says, "Hi Demetra, when I saw this I thought of you. Oh, I got you one and one for me. Enjoy." This is so sweet. Thank you, Denise. So super thoughtful. Let's unwrap. You had me at pumpkin spice. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Denise. Now, if you guys watched my pumpkin spice video challenge, we had lots of YouTubers post their pumpkin spice recipes, and Denise posted a lovely one. I'm going to put the link to the pumpkin spice challenge playlist in my description box. That was my first challenge that I ever hosted, and this is so thoughtful to commemorate that, Denise. You are such a sweetheart. You had me at pumpkin spice. I love it. I love it. Thank you. I think I have the perfect place. Yep, that's it. Looks great. Well, I think it's perfect right there. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Denise. I really appreciated this gesture. It picked me up. I was feeling a little bit down. I'm not gonna lie, you know, so many terrible things, you know, happening, and the news gets overwhelming, you know, shootings in synagogues, shootings in churches, in the grocery store, people sending bombs through the mail. It really was depressing. It's depressing, it's scary. And I needed something to help lift my spirits, and this was it. Thank you, Denise, for doing that. And you have inspired me to send a little kindness to friends and soon-to-be friends. I've never met Denise in person, but she extended herself, and I'm going to be sure that I do the same to her and to other people that I may not know well. So thank you for that. I want to spread kindness just like Denise spread some kindness to me. Please check the description box for the link to Denise's channel, This and That with Denise Jordan. And please subscribe here, please subscribe there, and have a delicious day.